first message is that purchasing power for workers on average and below average salaries in most European Union countries has been either flat or in decline.
Prvo sporočilo, ki ga imamo zanje, je dejstvo, da se kupna moč delavcev v Evropski uniji ali ostaja na isti ravni ali pa se celo znižuje.
There's been a redistribution towards profits in terms of the share of national income. The share of wages and salaries has been reducing, the share of profits has been increasing. And on average across the Eurozone, we calculate that the average worker has lost something like €2,500 a year.
Prišlo je do redistribucije odnosov med dobički in plačami. In ker je dobičkov več in so plače vse nižje, računamo, da je povprečen delavec v Evropski uniji izgubil 2500 evrov letno.
Inequality is rapidly increasing, and in 2005 the top 20% got something like 5 times as much as the lowest 20%. Only 5 years earlier that had been round about the 3% mark.
Neenakost se izredno povečuje. Leta 2005 je najbogatejših 20% ljudi zaslužilo 5-krat več kot pa najrevnejših 20%. Še 5 let prej je ta odstotek znašal 3%.
So it's wealth for a minority and it's wage stagnation for the majority. And that's why we're here, to direct a powerful message at the finance ministers and the central bankers.
Torej gre za bogatstvo za manjšino in za zniževanje plač za manjšino. In zato smo tukaj, da to povemo finančnim ministrom in predstavnikom Evropske centralne banke.